guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Judy. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're always alerted when I post new videos. So today I'm going to be reviewing these cereal snacks, which is odd to me because lately a lot of people have been turning snacks or food into cereal, but apparently Kellogg's thought that they should do the opposite. So we have some jumbified versions of multiple different cereals, basically. Here we have Froot Loops. We have Tiger Paws, which isn't actually a cereal, but okay. We have Apple Jacks, which I've never liked, but and Corn Pops. These are the ones I found at my grocery store. I'm not sure if they have any other ones, but these are the ones I found. So they also have boxes with little snack bags in there. Let's start with the Froot Loops because I have a bowl of the normal ones. So let's see. Interesting. Okay, they're a lot different than I thought they would be. So this is the jumbo one, and then this one is the normal.
Normal as in the cereal.
Yeah, this is the jumbo snack, and then this is just the cereal. Okay, it definitely tastes like Froot Loops. Alright, let's try the Tiger Paws. I'm expecting this to taste maybe like Corn Flakes or like Frosted Flakes. It has an interesting smell, but this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of weird. It also has a really weird smell.
Try it.
I mean, I don't know. It doesn't really have that much of a flavor. Let's try Apple Jacks. I'm not a big fan of them, but maybe this will change my mind. All I'm seeing is orange Froot Loops. Cinnamon Froot Loops. I mean, yes, it has a cinnamon flavor, but not that much.
Do you like it though?
Yeah, I also like it. And the pops, if I can open this bag correctly. That's a very powerful smell. So these are what the pops look like.
And it's caramel.
Oh, it's caramel. So I thought that these would be a little bit bigger, but as you saw, it's not too much of a giant difference. It isn't that much of a difference, I would say. Maybe like double the size or something. So there's not much of a difference. I mean, there is a difference, obviously, but it's not as big as I thought it would be. But Froot Loops, Apple Jacks, Tiger Paws, Corn Pops, caramel crunch stuff, like there wasn't much of a difference between the actual cereal and the snacks. If you wanted to try something new, I'd probably suggest getting the Tiger Paws or the Jumbo Pops, just because as far as I'm aware, there's no cereal that's like this. In my opinion, I wasn't a big fan of the Pops, just no. I would probably just stick with the Froot Loops because I love Froot Loops. I was very disappointed by the size. I was expecting them to be larger.
And fluffier. I expected
Yes,
them to be fluffy.
They were thinner than I imagined. Like, it was very weird. It's thin.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're always alerted when I post new videos. And comment down below on anything else you want me to review on my channel, or if you were to get these, which one would you try? Bye! So in my opinion, I just felt like there's a lot of train in the background. I'll put a picture.
No, I will put it. You don't have to
Okay.
say it.
My goodness gracious.
Okay.